This is Kymyz, fermented mare's milk. For centuries, nomads have shared it to celebrate health, strength, and life. But what if it also shaped our biology? Could something my ancestors drank actually reprogram my genes today? This leads us into the emerging field of epigenetics, specifically, how fermented foods like Kymyz influence gene regulation. Kymyz is alive with lactic acid bacteria, yeast, and wild gut-friendly microbes like lactobacillus, leukonostoc, and Saccharomyces. These fatty acids are more than nutrients, they're chemical messengers that influence gene expression. These microbes break down lactose during fermentation and produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate and crotonate. Butyrate and crotonate travel into the bloodstream and reach your cells. Inside the nucleus, they affect DNA packaging by attaching chemical groups to histone proteins, the spools your DNA wraps around. This process can loosen or tighten the DNA structure, making it easier or harder for the cell to read certain genes without altering the DNA code itself. Crotonate sticks to histone proteins through a process called crotonylation. This opens up the tightly wrapped DNA, making certain genes more accessible for activation. These genes include like IL-10, which reduces inflammation, and FOXP3, which helps regulate immune cells. More access means that there's more protection. Butyrate helps too. It blocks enzymes called AGACs that remove helpful tags. This keeps your gene expression active in a healthy way. And sometimes, these changes can get passed on. Humans have long turned to ferment staples like kimchi and yogurt. Clinical studies show that fermented foods can shape gene expression through epigenetic pathways. So, if your ancestors drank Kymyz regularly, those signals could have built stronger immunity and better gut tolerance. And it's not just Kymyz. The fermented foods our ancestors relied on left chemical clues that shape who we are today. So, pass on the Kymyz.